let's go. He's so. Wait. Now he's going to get it.
Extraterrestrial species treaty. Decepticons, protect the Allspark and defend the Earth. Nest and Nest Recruitment Training Center are based here at this maximum security tactical operations facility. But far more important, the last remaining fragment of the Allspark is also secured within this location. You, as a Nest trainee, are joining one of the most exclusive clubs in the universe. Without a doubt, this is the most important part of the past of you and me.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Transformers The Ride 3D. Please be advised that this ride requires a minimum height requirement of 40 inches, and all riders must be free from heart and normal blood pressure, back and neck conditions, as well as motion sickness, dizziness, sensitivity to fog, and strobe effects, fear of enclosed spaces, and any other physical conditions that may be aggravated by this experience. Expectant mothers are also strongly encouraged not to ride. Please remain seated and in an upright position, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle, face forward, and supervise children. Thank you.
I mean, they've never sent me to active duty before, but I guess we kind of have that in common. My orders will be to safely take the Allspark from Nest and follow an extraction route out of the city. I'm supposed to partner with human navigators, but they told me there isn't anyone they can spare, so I asked them, what about the recruits? I mean, if any of you were willing to volunteer, I sure could use the help. The more eyes we have, the better. Watching that fast, That's it. We're mission go. So you can either thank or blame me later, but right now I need you to listen to the lady with the robotic voice.
Do not wait. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. Keep hands and arms inside your vehicle at all times. Hold on to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated because E.V.A.C training records do not instill me with the utmost confidence.
Just stick to your script, lady. I really hope you survive this thing.
Goodbye, recruits.
I think you mean good luck.
Goodbye, recruits.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. It's Rabbit! He's after the Allspark! Behind you! Got it! Mission to go! Come on, let's get out of this city!
Autobots, roll! I got Megatron! Decepticons, destroy them!
Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time?
You can't escape Megatron!
Reverse thrusters! Full curve!
to me.
Take cover! Escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Run his vortex. We need cover. Move on. Sideswipe.
Hey, trust you here with this mission?
You got it. Stop the questions. My gun's jammed. Get it. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit. Hold on. Brace yourself. Gotta find a way down. Optimus!
Cowards run, heroes fight. Your war is with me.
Hold on 2 minutes!
Protect the Allspark.
Just dropping in.
We're on our own. What do we do?
Obey the mercy. Never.
No more running, recruits. He wants the Allspark? He can have it! Oh no!
E.V.A.C, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Yeah, improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with E.V.A.C anytime.